Serikali wetere wizara y'Oboremi netugo nigera ase sabari gokeania ebirengo byokorosia mabere mense ebibire igoro mono. Waziri w'Oboremi netugo Mutaikagwe nigaerere buna kerige kogera ebirenge ebibire igoro nasengenche bintu bigotumekwa asokorosia aserigoria anero murubiri wa serikali GOCHIA kogendera GOSIIRA abaremi imeyense.
I don't have a figure on me, straight away from my head. What I do know is that it is high. It is an accepted fact that milk production and the cost of production of milk is high. And the idea is to bring it down. And I know why it is high. It is high because cattle feeds are expensive. And why are cattle feeds expensive? Because we import yellow maize, we import soya, which is very important for cattle feeds. And the idea is to allow our farmers to grow the food so that we can bring the cost of food down. But at the same time, we want to stabilize the prices. And the way to stabilize the prices is to make sure that the market for milk is always there. That's why I am insisting on Treasury doing whatever it must to bring down the cost of processing or duty waivers so that processing comes down, we can be able to export our milk powder. I am saying farming is a business. Ukulima is not just an occupation, it is a business. People don't just go to farming for the sake of farming. They go to farming to make money and to make a living. And therefore, it must be managed in the same manner that you manage any serious business. Na wale watu ambao wataajiliwa huko mashambani, ni lazima pia wawe ni watu ambao wana uwezo. There are people who are trained. So that the same way that you train an officer in an office is the same way you want to make sure that the person who is looking after the cow is trained to look after the cow. That is why we are telling you farmers, go to our schools and then you kule Naivasha, kule Kabete na kwingineko. There are young people we are training there so that you can do professional farming. Usichukue yule mtu ambao hajui chochote ati kwa sababu yeye ameshindwa na kila chochote sasa ndiye mtampatia kazi ya kuchunga ng'ombe. Hapana, tafuta yule mtu ambaye ataweza na yule mtu ambaye amesomeshwa na yule mtu ambaye ako training ndio aweze kukusaidia na hiyo ng'ombe.